Hey guys, it's Shadow, and today we're going to be doing a taste test with blue diamond almonds, wasabi and soy sauce, and then smoked house. So, I don't know which one. Okay, I'll just do this one first. Okay. Oh my god, it's amazing. Now, wasabi and soy sauce.
Play games.
If we are,
Oh, that's spicy.
fine, we'll get some soft juice because we're only going.
Good. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to never miss another future video. Peace.